Welcome to the video. Today we're going to be unboxing the iPhone 11 in purple. Here's the bag. It's nice and sturdy. Here is the packaging for the iPhone 11. It is 128 gigabytes, and the colors come in black, green, yellow, purple, and white. Okay. Some of the things that this camera has is a Liquid Retina HD display, a 6.1 inch all-screen LCD multi-touch display with IPS technology. It is splash water and dust resistant. And let's peel this off. This is my favorite part. It comes with a charger and what is this? Stickers! Yay! This is to take the SIM card out. Stickers. Here is taking off the screen. Yeah. It has two cameras, and the cameras are dual 12 MP and ultra wide cameras. They have a 2x optical zoom out and a digital zoom up to 5 times. And there's night mode and deep fusion and 100% focus pixels. And for video, there's a 4K video recording at 24 FPS and etc. There's 180 HD video recording and 720. It has 2x optical zoom out and a digital zoom up to 3x an audio zoom. And let's turn it on. Wow. Apple is so great. Another thing this phone also has is a Face ID, and that's cool. You can select what language. English. The United States. What is going on? Set up manually. Connect to the Wi-Fi. Do that in a second, but let's talk about the phone some more. Some more things this has is up to 17 hours in battery, and in video playback is streamed video playback is up to 10 hours, and up to 65 hours in audio playback. There is Face ID, barometer, 3-axis gyro, accelerometer, and stuff like that. And it comes with voice control, voice over zoom, magnifier, RTT and TTY support, Siri and dictation, type to Siri, switch control, closed captions, assistive touch, spoken contact, and back tap. And there's a whole bunch of built-in apps This phone does not have a home button and does not have a headphone slot. And you can also charge it from the back, which is very cool. Okay, I have logged into the phone. Here is the phone logged in, and it comes with these apps. The news. It's a very big phone. It has a 6.1-inch screen and a whole bunch of accessories on it. It's very pretty. Okay, I'll show you a picture I will take. Here is a photo I took. It is very high quality, and like I said, it has 4K video and pictures. So here is the iPhone. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe for more. Thank you. Bye.